Hey everybody, I'm back again. Updating the shack. I've got 1, 2, 3, 11-meter radios in the Anytone that run off the same power cord. I only had 2 power cords. Had to keep unplugging the cord from one radio and put it in the other radio. So I made me some power cords. Each one of those have a 3-prong plug, which I took 3 of these and put on each radio. 1, 2, 3. Crimped it to it plugged up snugly on each prong, 3 prongs. Attached 3 wires to these and squeezed them. So I made 2 more power cords so I can power 4 radios, and I can pick and choose which one to talk on. Go. Okay. Anytone 10 meter and 3 11 meters run off the Anytone. Antron, I'm getting mixed up here. The Anytone radio and the 3 11-meter CBs run off the Antron 99, so I have a switch for that. I can pick and choose, just flip the switch to pick each radio to talk on with my switch without having to unplug the coax on one radio and put it on another. I no longer unplug the power cord from one to the other. All 4 radios have power. All 4 radios have access to the Antron with a switch. Yaesu 2900, TYT, MD380, DMR radio, both will run off the J-pole by flipping a switch. Elenco all-band has its own antenna, a wire dipole up in the walnut tree. So here's the switches. Antron is coming into this box, out to this switch. Now it's on 10 meter. Flip it over. The Antron is now on these 3. This switch with 3 coaxes going to each 3 radios. So I pick and choose these 3 11-meter radios or back to the Anytone with this switch. This switch is 2900 Yaesu or the DMR with that switch. So I flip the switches, pick which antenna goes to which radio, and they all have power, as I made a power cord for each. So now I don't have to unplug the power cord from one, put in another. Don't have to unscrew the coax on one, put in the other. They've all got power. Just flip the switches to send the antenna to whichever radio. 10 meter, 11 meter, 2 meter Yaesu or DMR. Elenco all-band has its own wire dipole. Updating the shack. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with something else.